Yes, we welcome you back to our channel, Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. Yes, and tonight we are looking at this case. The statement reads that other objects orbiting the sun include asteroids, dwarf planets, comets, and others. Okay, here we need to emphasize that it is not only planets which are orbiting the sun. There are other objects which are orbiting the sun as well. And the question says that write the term identifiable with the statement below. Okay. Yes. The first one is the name of the planet closest to the sun. Yeah, remember we have 8 planets. The first category closest to the sun is made up of 4, which we call terrestrial planets. And then comes other category, which we call gas giants. And if I can take you back here, we saw that terrestrial, we used the mnemonics M, V, E, M. And that's the order in which they appear as you move away from the sun, where M is Mercury and V is Venus. Then comes our Earth, and Mars comes later. So in this category, which one is closest to the sun? M, Mercury. And that's the answer. Okay. Yeah, then comes this question. It says, the farthest planet from the sun. Okay, we need to remember here that other category of the planets, we gave them these mnemonics for easy remembering, where J is Jupiter, S is Saturn, U is Uranus, and N is Neptune. But you have to know that they appear in that order as you move away from the sun. So this implies that the planet which is farthest from the sun is N, which is Neptune. And that's the answer here. Okay, then we come to this case. The region found between the terrestrial planets and the gas giant. Yeah, we mean this region here. Yes. The region between, because these are the terrestrial and these are the gas giants, the region between the two, what do we call it? We call it asteroid belt. Yeah, that is it. Most of the asteroids are found in that region. Yeah. Then comes this question. It says the region of the solar system beyond Neptune. Yes. Remember, Neptune is our last planet so far, because we don't know whether there are more planets which will be discovered, but so far from the current information, Neptune is the farthest planet we have. So beyond Neptune, what do we call that region? That region, we call it Kuiper, but written like this one, Kuiper belt. Yeah. Take note of the pronunciation. It doesn't sound like so, but yeah, that's how we are supposed to be calling it. So Kuiper Belt lies beyond Neptune. Yeah, then we come to this question. The statement says that the Earth is the biggest terrestrial planet, followed by Venus, Mars, and the smallest is Mercury. And it continues to say that all these planets have a metal core, rocky mantle, and a thin outer crust. They also have a thin atmosphere. Yeah, these are the facts about the terrestrial planets. Then the question says that how is the Earth's atmospheric composition different from other terrestrial planets? And briefly explain the importance of this in sustaining life. Yes, the atmosphere, the area above the Earth's surface, how is it different in terms of composition from the rest of the terrestrials? Yeah, the answer is that it has abundant oxygen, which is essential for sustaining life. We'll have to remember that oxygen is very essential for generating the energy through a process of oxidation, which energy helps to sustain life. So it's the presence of oxygen which differentiates Earth's atmosphere from the rest. Yeah, that is that. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is Natural Sciences Grade 8 and 9. That's the name of the channel. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we believe we are the best. So see you next time. Bye bye.